Many people don't realize how vulnerable their nerves truly are. Nerve damage affects millions worldwide, often sneaking in quietly without any obvious early signs. As a doctor, I see patients every week who come in only when they're already feeling tingling, burning, numbness, or unexplained weakness that disrupts their daily life. The sad reality is that nerve damage, whether from diabetic neuropathy, chemotherapy side effects, autoimmune conditions, or even chronic inflammation, can worsen if not addressed early. Imagine your nerves as electrical cables in your body. When their insulation, called the myelin sheath, becomes damaged, the signals get disrupted, leading to pain or loss of function. This is why supporting your nervous system with proper nutrients, hydration, and anti-inflammatory compounds is crucial before damage progresses too far. Today, I want to guide you through drinks that not only soothe, but also actively repair and protect your nerves. These are natural solutions backed by research and practical for daily life, giving your nerves the fuel and protection they deserve. One of my favorite recommendations is turmeric tea. Turmeric has been used in traditional medicine for centuries, and now science confirms its powerful benefits. The active compound, curcumin, acts as a potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. Inflammation and oxidative stress are two main factors behind nerve damage because they weaken the protective myelin sheath. Curcumin neutralizes free radicals, blocks inflammatory pathways, and most importantly, encourages nerve regeneration by boosting nerve growth factors. When nerves are inflamed or exposed to oxidative stress, they become vulnerable, leading to burning, tingling, or even muscle weakness. By drinking turmeric tea daily, you're helping your nerves repair and maintain their function. To make it, simply simmer half a teaspoon of turmeric powder in hot water and always add a pinch of black pepper to increase absorption by up to 2,000%. For those on blood thinners or with bleeding disorders, consult your doctor before starting. But overall, turmeric tea is a simple, warming drink that protects your nerves like a golden shield from within. Aloe vera isn't just for skin burns. Its juice offers impressive nerve benefits too. Inside its gel are polysaccharides and antioxidants that calm inflammation and promote healing in nerve tissues. Chronic nerve pain often worsens due to inflammation compressing or irritating nerves. Drinking aloe vera juice daily can help reduce this irritation. Moreover, aloe vera helps regulate blood sugar levels, which is essential because high blood sugar damages nerves over time, particularly in diabetic neuropathy. Aim for 4 to 6 ounces of pure aloe vera juice without added sugars or preservatives. Start with small amounts as it can have a mild laxative effect, but over time it becomes a gentle daily support for your nerves. Think of it as a natural coolant that soothes irritated nerve endings while protecting them from further metabolic damage. Ginger is one of the most versatile roots in natural medicine, and ginger tea is a fantastic way to tap into its benefits for nerve health. Its compounds, gingerol and shogaol, are strong anti-inflammatories that reduce nerve swelling and irritation, helping ease pain, burning, or numbness. Ginger also enhances circulation, which is vital because healthy blood flow brings oxygen and nutrients to nerve tissues for repair and function. Imagine trying to heal a wound without proper blood supply. Nerves are the same. Freshly brewed ginger tea made by boiling an inch of ginger root in hot water provides a soothing, warming drink that supports your nerves from the inside out. However, ginger can thin the blood, so if you take anticoagulants or are pregnant, discuss with your doctor before regular consumption. Overall, ginger tea is a natural, effective choice to reduce nerve inflammation, improve blood flow, and keep your nervous system resilient. Green tea isn't just a refreshing drink, it is packed with catechins like EGCG that protect nerve cells from oxidative stress. Free radicals slowly damage nerve tissues, contributing to conditions like Parkinson's or Alzheimer's over time. Green tea's antioxidants neutralize these harmful molecules, slowing degeneration and promoting nerve regeneration. Moreover, green tea supports overall brain health, which is directly linked to nerve function throughout the body. Drinking 2 to 3 cups per day provides these benefits without overwhelming caffeine intake. For those sensitive to caffeine, opt for decaffeinated green tea or lighter brews. Adding lemon enhances antioxidant absorption, amplifying its protective effects. Think of green tea as a natural daily detox for your nerves, shielding them from silent damage while keeping your mind sharp and energized. Blueberries are often called brain food, but their benefits extend deeply into nerve health. These small berries are loaded with flavonoids that act as antioxidants and anti-inflammatories, protecting nerves from oxidative damage and inflammation, which are key causes of neuropathic pain. Regular consumption improves nerve signaling, helping damaged nerves communicate efficiently again. Blueberries also enhance blood flow to nerves, ensuring they receive oxygen and nutrients necessary for repair. You can enjoy them as smoothies, added to coconut water, or blended with plant milk for a creamy, antioxidant-rich drink. The combination of reduced inflammation, better circulation, and nerve regeneration makes blueberries a powerhouse for anyone looking to support or restore nerve health naturally. Chamomile tea is widely known for relaxation, but its benefits go deeper into nerve health. It contains apigenin, a compound that reduces inflammation while promoting relaxation and restful sleep. Chronic inflammation and poor sleep often worsen nerve pain, creating a frustrating cycle for patients. By calming the nervous system and encouraging quality sleep, chamomile indirectly supports nerve repair, as the body does most of its healing during deep sleep phases. Drinking chamomile tea before bed is a simple yet powerful ritual to calm nerve irritation and support recovery. However, those with allergies to ragweed or daisies should avoid it. Otherwise, chamomile tea is a safe, natural way to ease nerve pain, especially when stress and sleeplessness are major triggers. Warm milk with honey is an old-fashioned remedy that remains relevant today, especially for nerve health. Milk contains tryptophan, an amino acid that helps produce serotonin and melatonin essential for mood regulation and quality sleep. Honey adds antioxidants and mild anti-inflammatory benefits, creating a calming bedtime drink. Good sleep is crucial for nerve repair because the nervous system regenerates most effectively during deep sleep. For those who avoid dairy, warming almond or oat milk with a spoon of honey offers similar benefits. This simple combination helps you unwind, supports your nerves overnight, and promotes overall well-being in the most comforting way possible. Celery juice might seem like a trendy drink, but it genuinely benefits nerve health due to its flavonoids like apigenin and luteolin that reduce inflammation. It also contains potassium, essential for nerve signal transmission. Without enough potassium, nerves can't communicate effectively, leading to numbness or tingling. Drinking 8 ounces of fresh celery juice daily supports healthy nerve function. Coconut water, on the other hand, is rich in potassium and magnesium. These minerals keep nerve signals stable and reduce nerve excitability, which can cause spasms or tingling. 2 cups of unsweetened coconut water daily help restore electrolyte balance, essential for people with nerve-related symptoms. Together, celery juice and coconut water offer a refreshing way to keep your nerves functioning optimally. Finally, let's talk about 3 drinks that deeply nourish your nerves. Matcha green tea latte delivers concentrated EGCG antioxidants that protect nerves from oxidative damage and inflammation. Because matcha uses whole powdered leaves, it provides higher benefits than regular green tea. Beetroot juice increases nitric oxide, widening blood vessels to improve circulation, delivering oxygen and nutrients to damaged nerves for better healing. Bone broth, rich in collagen, glycine, and minerals like calcium and magnesium, supports nerve structure and helps regulate nerve signaling. Glycine in particular calms nerve excitability, reducing neuropathic pain caused by erratic signals. Adding any of these drinks to your routine offers strong structural and functional support for your nerves. Whether it's a cup of matcha latte in the morning, beet juice after workouts, or warm bone broth at dinner, each one helps your nerves heal, function, and stay resilient against daily stressors. Taking care of your nerves doesn't have to be complicated. By adding just 1 or 2 of these natural drinks into your daily routine, you're giving your body the tools it needs to heal, repair, and function at its best. Remember, healing is a journey, and small, consistent steps lead to powerful results over time. If you found these tips helpful, share this video with someone who might be struggling with nerve pain or tingling sensations. And if you want to keep learning how to protect your health naturally, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our next video. Stay strong, stay healthy, and keep giving your body the care it deserves.